Hi, it's your old Uncle Ed, inviting you to join me and the Restoration Crosscheck team for a full-day Restoration Empowerment Bootcamp on September 3rd before the Experience Convention in fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada. Strategic Strikes to Accelerate Your Restoration Business is a rigorous program taught by restoration and insurance industry professionals to give you a clear pathway to overcome the most common problems faced by restorers today.
Restoration Crosscheck is an elite squadron of restoration masters, fresh from the field with recent experience in the muck, running successful restoration companies.
Advanced adjuster relations and negotiations training will be taught by insurance master Jeffrey Taxier, who was in the Allstate Claims Department for 35 years. He will train you how to enjoy smoother relationships with adjusters and teach you what to do if they fail to communicate with you, don't answer your emails, or just plain ghost you. Veteran restoration contractor and certified public accountant Mark Pasculi will train you on the best practices to customize your own restoration price list. The magnificent Norma Valley will teach you how to obtain and retain good client control on all of your transactions. I'll train you on my latest strategies to accelerate your collections. I'll host the event and moderate lots of group discussions.
I thought the workshop today with Ed was great. I think it's an inspired idea. I can't think of a restoration company that isn't going to come into a situation where they don't need help from one of the team that he's put together. He's put together some of the best people that there are, and he's done it all at a price that honestly is stupid cheap, to be blunt. So I think it's a great idea.
The Experience Convention has some very good education sessions, and we recommend that everybody attend. But convention registration is not required to attend the Restoration Crosscheck Bootcamp. All you have to do is register for the Expo Hall, which you can do for free using the Restoration Crosscheck VIP code. On the registration page, enter RCC VIP. Click Attendee and Continue, and select Expo Hall only. Restoration Crosscheck wants to help you turn your will to power. Our last boot camp sold out, so enlist now at restorationcrosscheck.com/bootcamp.
You'll leave with nothing but muscle!
And 6 IICRC credits.